So anyway, I got this new camera. I'm trying it out for the first time, doing a little test video here. Got a Sony ZV-1F. So far I'm liking it. It is all right. Will we see mass arrests? I would say likely not until we get the Pentagon cleaned out. Now you get rid of all the traitor globalists in the Pentagon and the senior ranks and restaff them with a bunch of patriots, nationalists, constitutionalists, and the military will, as it is supposed to, resume its guardianship over the rest of the federal government. So, mass arrests, not likely. Individual arrests of significant players, perhaps. Maybe, maybe not. Very hard to say. For the first time in my lifetime, we are seeing this cabal of federal establishment scum. We're seeing them being rejected by everyone. Tables have turned on these internal enemies. People are waking up and seeing who and what they are for the first time. I've been waiting on this since I was in my early 30s. I'm 57 now. I'm old and give out like Carl Childers, my fine feathered friend. Anyway, just doing a little test video on this new camera. It is a complicated camera to use too. My gosh, you got to go through all the various settings. And there's just endless menus of them where you have to turn this on, turn that off. But I guess that's to be expected with a higher quality camera than that GoPro I've been using. GoPro's simple. I like it. And the picture's not bad either. Unless you're in really hot conditions, the battery overheats real easy. I'm probably going to find out that that's the same with this camera. But this is a better quality camera. Should give better audio and video than what we're used to using. So anyway, what happens to a country that stops prosecuting its highest crimes, such as that T word that you don't want to say on YouTube because it triggers the algorithms, gets your speech looked at by human eyes, human ears. Well, what happens to a country that stops prosecuting that highest of high crimes? Well, that country ceases to exist in its original form, or what they call collapse. As big as our country is, biggest there's ever been, that would echo throughout the world in a very negative manner. But we are seeing change. Like I said, for the first time in my life, these satanic scum wondering what they're going to do, how they're going to survive, how they're going to hold on to their money and their power and their what's the word? Imperviousness to law. Well, that's all changing now. 'Cause there is, as the old saying goes, a new sheriff in town. The big boss man, Daddy, is back with a vengeance. So anywho, with that said, I think this is a good enough test video. We'll go edit out my little talking mistakes, my little misspeaks. Throw this thing on the internet. Check it out and see how good it looks. See if I want to use this camera primarily or keep using the GoPro. The GoPro is alright, except in certain situations. Get what you pay for. Anyway, we is out of here.